How to draw Winnie. We are going to start by drawing her chin. For this, we will draw a wide U-like shape. Next, we are going to draw her nose. For this, we are going to draw a line going up and down, centered above that U-like shape for the bridge of her nose. And at the bottom of that line, we're going to curve it towards the right. Then for the left side of the nose, we're going to make a backward C-like shape. Awesome job! Next, we're going to draw her mouth. For this, we will start by drawing a small curved line below her nose. Then we will draw another curved line on top of that one for the upper outline of her mouth. Then to finish drawing her mouth, we're going to draw a straight line going through her lips. While learn how to draw Hub Crew, our drawings are looking awesome. Next, we're going to draw her left eyebrow connected to the top of the bridge of her nose. Then below her eyebrow, we're going to draw her left eye. For the outline, we're going to draw a rectangular-like shape, but the edges will be curved. Then inside the outline of her eye, we're going to draw two curved lines, making a circle shape in the middle. Inside of that, we're going to draw a small circle in the center. Then we're going to outline this circle a little bit more so that we can make the pupil. If you're using a marker or a Sharpie, be careful so that the marker doesn't bleed through and color the circle in. Looks awesome, learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we're going to draw the right eye and eyebrow. For the right eyebrow, we will draw it the same way as the left one, but it won't be connected to the bridge of her nose. Then below her eyebrow, we will draw her right eye the same way that we drew the left one. Wow, learn how to draw Hub Crew! Your drawings are looking great! I can't wait to see them when they're all finished. Now that we're done drawing her face, we're going to begin drawing her hair. To begin, we will start above her left eyebrow and draw a curved line going downwards towards the left side of her face. Then we will go back to the top of that line and draw another curved line, this one going down inside of the right side of her chin. We're going to draw a few more curved lines from this one, so that it looks like a piece of her hair that fell out of her bun. Looking good, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we're going to go back to the middle above her left eyebrow and draw a line going upwards. This will be for the middle part of her hair. Then from the top of that line, we'll draw a big curved line going down towards the left side of her face and draw a piece of her bangs that's not in her bun. Awesome! Now we're going to go back to the top of that line and draw a curved line going towards the right side of the face, connecting to the right side of her chin. Then we're going to draw a backward C-like shape right here for her ear. Inside of that, we're going to draw a small curved line for detail. Now for the last step of drawing Winnie, we're going to draw her buns on top of her head. First, we will draw the right one. And from that right bun, we're going to draw a curved line going down below her ear for the back side of her hair. Then on top of the left side of her head, we're going to draw her left bun. Now we're going to add some lines for detail throughout her hair, and after we're all done coloring Winnie in, we're going to add some eyelashes. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome. I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, then make sure to give it a big like below and stick around until the very end so that you could see our finished drawing colored in. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.